We made it up to Livingston Manor, upstate New York. Du sind wir bei a Palaz, a mansion, a hotel, was kennt an Dance verpeißt sich noch. It's a private, beautiful mansion. So hat alles von a hotel, linen, towels, alles hakel, bakel, mikkel, but it's yours. No fob, no keys, no nothing. It's yours for Yom Tov, for Shvius, for Pesach, for summer, for weekends. Shabbusim, Shabbos is Vadessen, family getaways, a Chassidus getaway. Kevin, come around, let me show you what this place is. It's massive. Look at the porch, the wraparound porch. Come around, Kevin, let me show you what we got inside over here. This is amazing. Kevin, as we're going inside, let me just tell you, this place has over 60 beds. Can you imagine 60 beds? Over 25 bathrooms. It's huge, it's massive. A Shtetl. Basically, this place can hold the whole Chassidus over here. Let me think was Kevin. Living rooms on living rooms. Wow. You guys are going to be blown away by this mansion. Tell you yet another living room right over here. Macha living room, beautiful geschmack. Macha fireplace. It's a geschmack, it's cozy, it's elegant. Kevin, come around. It's a großartige dining room. I don't know if you ever saw in your life such a dining room. Chachas no. Mama shachas no, Rebbe kafin tishdu, herrlich, gorgeous, huge. You can have over here 100 to 150 people in this dining room. Huge, massive, gorgeous dining room. Then ik heitjes wat de kinderlich, groß. The kids have with the play while you guys eat the seder. Let me show you where the kids play because you eat the seder. Beautiful game room over here. Nice foosball. Wow. Play bowling, take some shoots, some hoops over here. Kevin, can you imagine a longer side? The kids go out and play a little more. Shabbos afternoon, Yom Tov afternoon, whatever it is, the kids can have a good time over here. I'm making was in the kitchen, Kevin. So you have a massive kitchen over here, enough counter spaces for all the schwiggers and the schnieden. Jeder eine was will out in the kitchens. Du genick Platz für jeder eine in the kitchen. Enough space for everybody. Everybody can work together over here. Kijk wie veel plaats te doen in de kitchen. Als ik get essen kan rauskommen van de kitchen. Okay, laat me geen naar water doen. Gevre, laat me geen gewazen wie met davend. Laat me geen gewazen besmeddisch doen. A heilige besmeddisch. Wow. It's a past. A Shabbos, a Yom Tov. Es kommt ohne Koidisch, mit a Seife Teure. So viel am Mizrach gewand, Gevre, von Davis darf Mizrach. Haben wir like special Tischen bei Mizrach gewand, so davon du. Laat me geen wazen de Seife Teure doen. Doe a kusher de Seife Teure. It comes fully equipped this place. Is ook geen. The benefits van a hotel, aber de males van a jiddische plaats. So hat alle males, hotel males, mit kusher is, mit alles hakelbakken. Laat me geen iets wazen eppes, was a hotel hat nicht. A chiddisch van a zaken doen, Gever, kim er ook niet doen. Let's go down, let me show you something that's gonna blow your mind. Deze had man ook doen in de mansion doen. Ja, a kusher mikwe, like you see. A heiße, warme mikwe mit Handtücher. Das ist schon von der Handtücher extra. You can take 2 towels also if you want. Get them 2 Handtücher. A geschmacke warme mikwe. Von dem was wir machen, mit sich ein fahren Cider, Pesach mikwe. Kannst schaffen auch mikwe fahren Cider. Wow. Ping-pong play tables geveren. Van de bochen was wir spielen Jom Tov mit den Ping-pong. Do Ping-pong tables. Alles hat man getragen do. Maar man ging dann geveren daarover zit de zweite Stock. Second floor. There are over 21 bedrooms and over 60 beds, a lot more than 60 beds. Let me go out in the bed number. Look at the beds over here. It's beautiful geschmack of beds. So connected rooms to single rooms. Alles is geschmacks to steam and air conditioning in every room. The amenities here come with linens, handtücher. You have to bring nothing. You come as a king. The place is yours. No key fobs, nothing. It's yours. Wow, this is gorgeous. A nice Shabbos Nachmi over here in this place. Nothing like it. Room after room after room after room. Can like a cat in the room. Man will noch a bed. You can stack it up. Okay, so this is a no-brainer if you have to go away with the family. Or the Shabbos Zvadis, or the Chassidus wants to go away for Shabbos. Small Chassidus. This is the place. Livingston Manor, Upstate. I got the number off from screen do. Of course, if you mention the Chaim Perlowitz status, you get a promotion. I'm just boggled by this place. It's a massive house. Genick Platz for jedem einen to feel comfortable. Space for everybody. A bathroom in jeder Zimmer come out. With towels, with tissues. Come stack the Platz. You don't have to bring anything. Das schleppen gar nicht. Wow.